Welcome to the Do and Do Little. That's Cray, and that's me. We're a mother and daughter duo, and today we're doing a makeup with a bit of sparkle featuring Sensationnel's Dashly Unit 2. She's showing that to you. It's in a color 1B. She's pulling it out the package, letting you see all the stuff. Those are all the colors it comes in. Okay, it's a lace. They say lace front, but it's actually just lace parting. It's a very deep part. The lace is a beautiful color. Mama say it's about 5 inches. Yeah, now we're doing the makeup with a little sparkle. She's moisturizing her face, getting that all together. Primer time. That evens out your pores so you don't notice them as much. Okay, time for the eyebrows. Told you she's real in depth about them eyebrows. Okay, there's eyebrow gel. Fill in some of those sparse areas. See? Told you it takes her forever about her eyebrows. Now we're contouring those eyebrows to make them a little sharper and crisper. I think she does a fabulous job on them eyebrows. She does them a dark brown so that it's not that much of a stark contrast. Now it's time to blend out that contour. She already did the other eye. Did I swoop those baby hairs or not? Okay, putting some contour over those eyelids so that the eyeshadow pops. Foundation time. We use Black Radiance, and I believe she uses the color Espresso. She's a beautiful chocolate woman. Okay, we're about to do the contour under the eyes. We gotta let that bake a little bit. So she's gonna leave it on for a moment. A little bit over the lip so that gives a little brightness above the lips. Brings attention to that pucker. Little forehead lightener. Okay, time to blend. I usually do my song, blending, blending, blending. Blending, blending, blending. Gotta get that contour looking just right. Now we're doing the darker contrast so that you get a definition to your face. Outline them cheekbones and the chin. Outline the nose. Time to blend. More blending. She needed a smaller sponge to get into those crevices of her nose. Eyeshadow time. Wait till you see this color. Gotta put a little more on for pigmentation. That's a blue, like an icy, deep, I don't know about deep, but it's an icy blue. In the description box below, there's details on what kind of makeup we use. But I believe that's from, I'm not sure which palette. It's West. For some reason I want to say West Kiss, but I know West Kiss is a wig. West something. Okay, she's got that blue in there. Getting all into them crevices. Okay, now we're going for a hunter green on the outer part of her lid. You wouldn't normally think that green and blue would go together, but this is coming out just fabulous. And we're doing a lighter silvery tone green in the center to split up the two different colors. And would you believe we're adding some purple? Very deep, dark, grapey kind of purple. We want to make sure you can see it. Dragging it under for the lower lid. Okay, we're doing some eyeliner. Oops, we made a little mistake, but we'll work that out. Takes a steady hand to do that liquid eyeliner. See that purple popping right now? Using a silvery blue eye pencil on the lower lid. And light blue eyeshadow also. And now comes that little twinkle of color in the tear duct. Giving you the look of that eye, because we haven't done the other eye yet. Now it's time for a little sparkle, and we've completed the look off camera. Look at her adding them jewels. Ha! We didn't tell you we were going to add jewels, did we? Little surprise. Okay, put our little band on our forehead. Here we go. Now check out that look. Woo! Gorgeous. Think she did a good job, if I say so myself. Now we're outlining the lips. Doing them a little, I would say that's a dark nude. The color is dark brown. A little chocolate lipstick. We didn't want to take away from the sparkle. Blending it in. Yeah, we use our fingers sometimes. How we looking? Just gorgeous. Now it's wig time. Ooh, this Dashley unit is looking pretty snazzy. It's got a deep center part. It's in a 1B. Just brushing it out. It only tangled at the ends, but very little. It's got layers cut into it. That's me doing all the combing in the back. You know, I'm one of those behind the scenes kind of gals. Trying to define that part. Not sure of the appropriate color to use. And we are done. What you think of this look? Just showing you can shift the wig. Give yourself a side part. There's the length, and you see those nice waves in the back? Yeah, girl. Get it, get it, get it. Okay. She's looking good. Like, comment, and subscribe. Love you. Bye. Until the next time.